Oh, this way. There we go. All right. Can you say hi to everyone?
Hi, everyone.
Hello. Happy Tuesday. So, we are learning about the beach this week, but we thought to start off, we'd do something a little different and practice our letters with this really fun and silly book we have. Hold on. It is called The Alphabet of Peculiar Creatures, which means these are probably things we never even heard of before. And they might sound funny, but these are real creatures that exist. So I'm going to pull you closer so you can help me hold the book. Does that sound good?
They're real, but
They are real. So ready?
that's the squid.
Let's see.
That's odd.
What's the first letter of the alphabet, Peter?
That one.
The letter A. Hold on, we gotta hold this for our friends to see. A is for axolotl. Can you say axolotl?
A doctor.
And they're amphibians. And they're related to frogs and toads. And they come in many colors, from black to gold, and even have pale pink eyes. Hold on, we're gonna hold it close. So this starts with the letter A. What else starts with the letter A?
I can't see.
What else starts with the letter A? Can you think of another word? A is for what? What's something we love to eat that's red and yummy and really good for us?
Apple.
Apples.
And for him.
Oh, B. B is for, yes, sit back so our friends can see, is for a binturong. Binturongs are also known as bear cats. They are native to South Asia and they give off a strong smell that to humans smells like buttered popcorn. What? That's silly. So that's our letter B. Now our letter C is a caracal. What's a caracal? What's it kind of look like? Let's show it to our friends.
It eats birds.
It eats birds. You're right. It does. And what's it kind of look like? Does it look like a dog?
No.
No, it looks like a what?
It looks like a cat.
A cat. These wild cats are found in Africa and parts of Asia. They can jump into the air and knock down 10 birds mid-flight. Wow. So C is for caracal.
And caracals have baby cubs. Caracals.
Yes, their babies are called cubs. Good job. D is for Draco. D. Dracos are lizards that live in the jungles of Southeast Asia. They are also known as flying dragons. They mostly eat ants and termites. Oh, look at that. Doesn't it look cool? Does it? It kind of looks like, a little dragon. So D is for Draco. Oh, E is for ermine. Ermine kind of looks like a weasel, like part of the weasel family. Ermines have brown coats in the summer, which turn into white coats in the winter. And then F is for a frigate bird. What sound does F make? Can you do it? Can you guys do it? A frigate bird. And male frigate birds have the red pouch, but the females don't. They're just white underneath. Let's show our friends. So we have E, watch out, E for ermine and F for frigate bird. All right, sit back down.
I want to see this.
Okay, we can do it that way. Oh, this one looks silly. G is for a Grimpoteuthis. A Grimpoteuthis, it kind of looks like a squid. But the Grimpoteuthis is also known as a kind of octopus. And they're think to look a little bit like elephants. And they live in the deepest parts of the sea. And they can change color to match their surroundings. That's to hide from people eating it. They change color so that way their predators can't find them. Ooh, H. H is for a hyrax. And these are little mammals. They kind of look like big rats. We're in the way, Peter. You got to sit over here or sit in the chair. And they're ancestors with elephants. Oh my goodness. That little thing is related to an elephant. So H is for hyrax. And I is for indri. Indris are a type of lemur only found in Madagascar. They make an eerie wailing sound that can be heard up to 1.2 miles away. If you don't know, that's a lot of noise. So I was for Indri. And then we have J. J is for a jaboa.
Also a drum.
Yeah.
And it made lots of noise.
And these creatures live in the deserts of North Africa and Asia. They don't drink water and instead get moisture from plants and insects. Well, that's interesting. Almost everyone drinks water. K is for canchill. This is the letter K.
What?
The canchill is also called the lesser mouse deer. They are the smallest hoofed mammal and are about the same size as a hare, and a hare is a kind of rabbit. So this was K for canchill. L is for lowland streaked tenric. Oh my goodness, look at all its spikes. These strange hedgehog-like creatures are found in Madagascar, and they have yellow spines that rub together to make noises to talk to each other. That's pretty cool. That was the letter L. M is for Amera. These large rodents are found in Argentina. They may look like rabbits, but are actually a relative of the guinea pig. Interesting. Some of these creatures are really weird looking, but they're really fun to learn about. So this is related to a rodent, like mice and rats. Very interesting. N is for a numbat. This is the letter N. Peter, watch out. Our friends need to be able to see. Numbats are bushy-tailed creatures found only in Australia. Ooh, it gets very hot in Australia. They have long, sticky tongues that they use to dig up and eat termites. Wow, they can eat up to 20,000 termites a day. That's a lot of fingers to have to count on.
Look at that. Look at that.
That's the numbat. O is for an okapi. Ooh, that's fun to say. Can you say okapi?
Okapi.
Good job. Okapis are found in Central Africa. These shy creatures have smelly feet. Oh, yuck. Kind of like Peter. And can lick their own ears. That is one long tongue if they can lick their own ears. Can you lick your own ears, Peter? Can you show them? Can you lick your own ears? No. You need to sit, please, or be looking over here. That's just silly. Ooh. Peter, you gotta back up, buddy. P is for a pangolin. What else is P for? Peter. Pangolins. These creatures roll up into a ball to confuse their predators. Pangolins are covered with large protective scales, kind of like an armadillo. They do the same thing. Q. Q is for a quokka. Peter, you gotta watch out, honey. Yeah. Quokkas are small, furry creatures related to kangaroos. They are about the same size as a cat and always look like they're smiling. Oh, well, isn't that always happy? I think everyone needs a quokka in their life. So we had Q. What's after Q? R. R is for, watch out, Peter. Watch out, Peter. A roseate spoonbill. Ooh. Roseate spoonbill. These bright pink birds develop spoons on the end of their beaks as they grow, and they use them to sift out small bits of food from the water. How clever. All right, S. S is for a saiga. Saiga are antelopes with very unusual noses. They can run at speeds about 50 miles per hour. That's really fast for a land animal. Look at their silly noses, but it helps them. T. T is for a tarsier. Tarsiers are tiny primates found in Southeast Asia, and they can rotate their heads around in the same way as owls. Oh my goodness, and their eyes are heavier than their brains. That's one big eyeball if you think about it. U, this is the letter U, makes the sound, is for a walkery. Interesting. Can you say walkery? That's a fun word to say. These monkeys live in the Amazon, which is a big rainforest, and can leap over 60 feet from tree to tree. That is a big jump.
It's on the wall cracks.
Yes, it is in there. Ooh, the V is for a Venezuelan poodle moth. A poodle moth? This furry little moth is very rare, and some people think it's a hoax. Oh, so it's not easy to find the Venezuelan poodle moth. W is for wolverine. Wolverines look like small bears and are super strong and very fierce. They can produce a bad smell too, like skunks. Ooh, skunks don't smell good. X. X is for, this is the letter X, a xenopus. A xenopus is a carnivorous frog that eats its own skin. Tasty. They have slippery skin and black claws on their feet. And then we have a Y. Ooh, what does that look like, Peter, to you? What kind of animal does that look like?
It's a lobster.
It's a Yeti crab. And a Yeti crab they have silky fur coverings on their claws, and they live in the Pacific Ocean and can grow food in their claw hairs. Interesting. Very furry animal. Well, sea creature. And then the last letter of the alphabet is, what is this?
A cow.
No, it's not a cow. This is the letter Z. Z for zebu. These creatures are a bit like cows, but are only half as tall. They have a large hump on their upper back. A zebu.
Yeah, there was that.
I haven't even heard of half of these creatures, but this was a fun book, and we practiced our letters.
What are the black and white ones?
I don't know. I guess we'll have to find out. Oh, right. So now we have a couple of getting up and moving songs for you, because it's always fun to get up and move around. So if you want to copy what me and Peter do and sing along with us. You going to do it with us, Peter? Okay. Well, he is just going to relax. And we are going to do a song about swimming in the water and stuff that we can do at the beach. All right.
I like to play with sand on the beach.
Are you ready? Oh, I know you do. All right. You do what I do. Ready, Peter? Swimming in the water.
And
Cool and bright.
And digging up the sand.
I kick my feet with all my might. And then when I'm tired, I float, pretending that I am a boat. I like to hold my breath and dive in the water. I swim beneath the water and count to 5. All right, hold your breath and count to 5. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, come out of the water. Whew. Wow, what a dive.
Ciao.
Whew. Do you guys like swimming? We love swimming. Swimming is a lot of fun. So now, to finish off, we have a fun little dance to do with everyone. Let's see. Let's try to find the word. Alrighty. Take this, do that. This one's called Over the Deep Blue Sea. And it's a really fun song. So you'll hear the words and I'll do the moves and you just do what I do. All right. Peter, you ready to do Over the Deep Blue Sea?
I'm going to say the story one.
All right. You ready?
'Twas a sunny day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, we're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea.
Ready?
'Twas a windy day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, we're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea.
'Twas a rainy day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me,
we're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea. 'Twas a snowy day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me, we're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea.
'Twas a stormy day when I went to play down by the sea. I climbed aboard a pirate ship and the captain said to me,
We're going this way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea. This way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea. This way, that way, forwards, backwards, up and down, over the deep blue sea.
All right.
Hold on.
What a silly song that was.
Are
Well-
all done now?
We are.
I can't
Say, can you say, I hope you all enjoyed yourselves?
I hope you enjoy yourself.
And it was so fun seeing all our friends again.
Bye-bye.
Say bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
I gotta try to end it. There we go.
I'm destroyed it.